随着，随着，随着。
Along with.
Along with.
人的心情会随着环境的变化而变化。人的心情会随着环境的变化而变化。人的心情会随着环境的变化而变化。
People's moods will change as the environment changes.
People's moods will change as the environment changes.
随着互联网的发展，我们可以在网上购物。随着互联网的发展，我们可以在网上购物。随着互联网的发展，我们可以在网上购物。
With the development of the internet, we can shop online.
With the development of the internet, we can shop online.
随着科学技术的发展，人们可以在网上进行商业活动。随着科学技术的发展，人们可以在网上进行商业活动。随着科学技术的发展，人们可以在网上进行商业活动。
With the development of science and technology, people can conduct business activities online.
With the development of science and technology, people can conduct business activities online.
十分，十分，十分。
Very.
Very.
这篇文章的内容十分丰富。这篇文章的内容十分丰富。这篇文章的内容十分丰富。
This article is very informative.
This article is very informative.
老板对他的工作十分满意。老板对他的工作十分满意。老板对他的工作十分满意。
The boss is very satisfied with his work.
The boss is very satisfied with his work.
这个问题十分简单。这个问题十分简单。这个问题十分简单。
The question is very simple.
The question is very simple.
普遍，普遍，普遍。
Universal. Common.
Universal. Common.
在中国，汉语普通话是大家普遍使用的语言。在中国，汉语普通话是大家普遍使用的语言。在中国，汉语普通话是大家普遍使用的语言。
In China, Mandarin Chinese is the commonly used language.
In China, Mandarin Chinese is the commonly used language.
网上购物已经变得越来越普遍。网上购物已经变得越来越普遍。网上购物已经变得越来越普遍。
Online shopping has become increasingly common.
Online shopping has become increasingly common.
人们普遍使用电子支付，包括网上购物或实体店购物的交易。人们普遍使用电子支付，包括网上购物或实体店购物的交易。人们普遍使用电子支付，包括网上购物或实体店购物的交易。
Electronic payments are widely used by people, including for online shopping or in-store shopping transactions.
Electronic payments are widely used by people, including for online shopping or in-store shopping transactions.
部分，部分，部分。
Part.
Part.
互联网是生活中不可缺少的一部分。互联网是生活中不可缺少的一部分。互联网是生活中不可缺少的一部分。
The internet is an indispensable part of life.
The internet is an indispensable part of life.
有一部分的内容被人删除了。 有一部分的内容被人删除了。有一部分的内容被人删除了。
Some of the content has been deleted.
Some of the content has been deleted.
大部分的学生都顺利通过口语考试。大部分的学生都顺利通过口语考试。大部分的学生都顺利通过口语考试。
Most students successfully pass the oral exam.
Most students successfully pass the oral exam.
稍微。稍微。稍微。
Slightly. A little.
Slightly. A little.
我稍微改了一下这篇文章。我稍微改了一下这篇文章。我稍微改了一下这篇文章。
I changed this article slightly.
I changed this article slightly.
这条裤子稍微长一点儿。这条裤子稍微长一点儿。这条裤子稍微长一点儿。
These pants are a little longer.
These pants are a little longer.
如果太甜的话，稍微加点水。如果太甜的话，稍微加点水。如果太甜的话，稍微加点水。
If it's too sweet, add a little more water.
If it's too sweet, add a little more water.
苦。苦。苦。
Bitter.
Bitter.
这样很苦。这样很苦。这样很苦。
This medicine is very bitter.
This medicine is very bitter.
我不喜欢咖啡的味道，太苦了。我不喜欢咖啡的味道，太苦了。我不喜欢咖啡的味道，太苦了。
I don't like the taste of coffee, it's too bitter.
I don't like the taste of coffee, it's too bitter.
生活有5种味道，那就是酸、甜、苦、辣、咸。生活有5种味道，那就是酸、甜、苦、辣、咸。生活有5种味道，那就是酸、甜、苦、辣、咸。
There are 5 flavors in life, namely sour, sweet, bitter, spicy and salty.
There are 5 flavors in life, namely sour, sweet, bitter, spicy and salty.
省。省。省。
Province.
Province.
中国目前有34个省级行政区。中国目前有34个省级行政区。中国目前有34个省级行政区。
China currently has 34 provincial-level administrative regions.
China currently has 34 provincial-level administrative regions.
广东省位于中国最南部。广东省位于中国最南部。广东省位于中国最南部。
Guangdong Province is located in the southernmost part of China.
Guangdong Province is located in the southernmost part of China.
谢谢观看。